Hi everybody, and in tonight's video I want to talk about nominal size in timber and finish size. Now what this is the finish size is the actual size the timber will finish. Now if you take a sawn 2x1 say, so 50 by 25 timber, if you ordered 2x1 sawn or in a rough sawn state, then yes, it would finish 2 inch by 1 inch or 50 by 25. Now if you ordered the same timber in a planed finish, so you ordered 2x1 planed finish or plain square edge, you would notice that this comes slightly smaller, normally around about 6mm each way. So it's only going to finish around about 19 by 44. So that's just something to think about when you're ordering your timber. If you need the size to finish that size, always make sure when you order your timber, you state that's the finished size. Otherwise, if you ordered plain square edge timber and you order 2x1 or 3x1 or 4x1, no matter what size, it will always come slightly under, roughly around about 5 or 6mm each way. So things like tongue and grooving, this is 4 inch by ½ inch, so it's 100 by 12mm tongue and grooving. It only finishes 95mm by about 9mm. This is a 5-inch skating board, and again it'll only finish round about 120mm or 4 3/4 instead of 126mm or a true 5-inch. So always remember, when you're ordering your timber, if your size is critical, make sure you state finished size when you order. Of course, if you're ordering rough sawn timber, it doesn't matter. But if you're ordering plain square edge PSE, PAR, which is planed all round timber, make sure you state that is your finished size. Or be aware your timber is going to land round about 5 or 6mm smaller when it's planed. If you like this video and you find it useful, make sure you subscribe, hit that like and share button, and if there's a video you'd like to see, then just post it in the comments and we'll make it happen. And I'll see you lot on the next one.